Introduction. I'm going to make besan ke laddu. This is just for pre-Christmas, you can say, a sweet for that. I have a super chef here, and these are 3 cups of ghee you add to 6 cups of besan. You have to measure out. If Ganesha can have chocolate modak, then Santa can have besan ke laddu, isn't it? So we're going to make besan ke laddu for Christmas. Once the ghee is hot, then you add the besan and you keep stirring and stirring and stirring till the besan is nicely toasted and the aroma is floating in the air.
Changes color.
Yeah, it changes color, of course. The aroma will float. I've never made besan ke laddu before, so this is the first. Do sift the gram flour so that you don't have lumps. This is not lumpy, it's just the ghee. Just stir it, it'll be fine. Cups of besan, 4 cups of sugar, powdered sugar, and 3 cups of ghee. So that is the measurement. So this is 4 cups of sugar, that's powdered. This is 6 cups of besan and 3 cups of ghee. So there are lots of calories, but don't count your calories. It's Christmas time.
It's slow process, huh?
Yeah, it's going to take
On a
time.
low flame.
On a medium flame.
Takes about half an hour.
It's going to take 30 minutes of labored stirring. So if you want to get your arms to exercise, this is a great way to exercise. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. After 5 to 10 minutes, this is how it looks. The stirring goes on. Now it has started to bubble. Can you see the bubbles there? The texture is changing. So is the color and the smell. I can really smell the aroma now. It's floating. The besan or the flour is chickpea flour is getting toasted nicely. It has a nutty flavor, nutty aroma. Now it has been 20 minutes since the stirring has been going on, and you can see the color has changed. It's a pinkish brown. I don't know what you would call this color, but it's nicely toasted.
About 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. You have to
I switched off the flame now and sprinkling some 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk over it. Literally sprinkle. Don't spoon it over. It becomes like thicker and binds more. When we make wheat halwa also, it's like this.
And then let it stand.
And then you leave it to cool down, and then we will add the powdered sugar, cardamom powder, and cashews.
As you bind.
Yeah, when we bind the laddus, then I will show that. Yeah, now adding the elaichi powder. Give it a stir and add the powdered sugar. That's an awesome amount of sugar. That's why laddus are sweet. Besan ke laddu in the making.
have to use your hands.
And it is best mixed with the hands. So don't think that you can do it with the ladle, because anyway you're going to make the laddus with your hands. You cannot roll laddus with a ladle. Mix the sugar in nicely so that it is soft and you can mold it into a nice and round shape. So we mix the sugar with the besan and the roasted besan and elaichi powder, and now I'm just making the laddus. You really have to bind it hard, otherwise it will just split and become crumbly. So there you have the ready laddu there. Just put a half of cashew on one side. There, that is the ready laddu, besan ka laddu. That's the expert rolling with two hands. Say hi.
Hi.
See, there, that is the ready laddu, besan ka laddu. That's the expert rolling with two hands. That's how an expert halwai makes besan. The laddus are ready. I have a big box full of them, and they look so really yum, with half a cashew on them, on each one. Perfect. So we can give 100 marks to the chef. 100 marks to you.
Yay!